The Sneezing Statue. In the town square, a giant marble statue stood tall. Tourists snapped photos until it sneezed. Achoo! Birds scattered, kids screamed, and cameras dropped. Did that statue just sneeze? Someone gasped. The mayor turned pale. Yes, he does that when the weather changes. Soon the statue sneezed again, blowing hats into the fountain. Laughter filled the square. At first, people came for the surprise. Later, they came for the lesson. Even stone isn't perfect, and imperfection makes it lovable. The statue sneezed once more, and a little girl said, "Bless you, Mr. Statue."